soon as I start recording, now she can't. There we go.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Move, Dad. Keep going. Keep going. She just needed a break. Use your brakes. Use your brakes and slow down. Good job.
She was gone.
She just needed a break. Straighten your handlebars. There you go.
Do I have to leave?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wait.
There you go.
Whoa!
Whoa! Curb check. Dad scared you?
Yeah, I didn't want to hit him.
What? I just needed a good shot. What?
Now you got her all off balance again.
Should be alright.
Remember, use your handlebars to brake. And you gotta tell her, don't go in the alley. Cars don't stop.
Yeah, I'll tell her when she gets back this way. When she shorted and chased.
No. I don't let them ever go past the fence when they're riding their bikes. We're out here. You got on recording?
Yeah.
See what's that time from? Straighten it out. There you go. Straighten it, straighten it, straighten it. There you go. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Alright, use your handlebars to slow down. She's not using her brakes, she's just jumping off. She acts like she's tired.
I think she is.